Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a tissue culture update where I show you my tissue cultures and how they've been doing in the past couple of weeks. A little while back I had imported these tissue cultured plants from Asia. I have here a Philodendron Florida Beauty, a Hoya Rubicin Variegata, as well as a variegated Philodendron Variegated. As you know, I have an obsession with variegated plants, so these were no exception. Now mind you, I did bring these plants in during the winter time, so acclimating them has been a challenge, but I think I've gotten it down and they seem to be doing very well. Now these plantlets have been living inside their dome for approximately 2 weeks. They receive 100% humidity and their bottoms are kept warm while being on top of a heating pad. Now mind you, I have lost a few of the plantlets, but that's probably just because they were very young and they probably should have been placed into new agar for multiplication. But during that time I didn't have all of my equipment, so I decided to put it in soil. Losing 1 or 2 is normal. I'm not too concerned about it because the ones that are doing well are thriving. Let's start with the Philodendron Variegated. As you can see here, this seems to be the tissue culture plant that I'm struggling with the most. That little plantlet in the left corner is yellowing, and that's probably because the root system isn't as well established as the others. But as you can also see, the other plantlets are very green. There doesn't appear to be very much variegation at all, but fingers crossed that as they grow and mature that I will get the variegation that we are going after. Otherwise, this was kind of a dud. Now prior to purchasing this plantlet, I did ask to see the mother plant, and although the mother plant was variegated, that's not to say that we are guaranteed to have variegation in all the plantlets. Now over here we have the Hoya Rubicin Miragada, and as you can see, she is very green. Now green is not a bad thing, as I had previously mentioned before. When you have a variegated plant and it puts off a green leaf, that's probably because it's trying to establish itself and get a better root system. Once it does that, it'll put off new variegated leaves for you. Now the tissue culture plant that seems to be doing the best is the Philodendron Florida Beauty. As you can see here, it's very healthy looking, it's put off new leaves, its root system is getting more established every day, and I will turn this around so that you can see that it has given me some variegated leaves. As you can see on the right side, there is a variegated leaf, and to your left is a fuzzy little root that seems to be doing very well and thriving. I can't wait to see how these guys are going to grow, and I will continue to keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys enjoy videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and drop a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.